All right, man. So right now I'm looking at your project, and I can see that you've met pretty much all the expectations so far. We've got to start filling in some of the texture in your choruses, right?
Yeah.
But we'll get around to that in a second. Um, before I hit play, before I start listening to this, I want you to tell me what is this song? Yeah, okay. So this is like I can see already you've written the some of the ideas that are possible for this song is like the first time sneaking out of your room in the middle of the night, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's dive into that a little bit more, okay? Because I think that is exactly like the specific idea I'm talking about when I'm talking about like something that your audience might connect to. I immediately start thinking about the things like what I had to do the first time I snuck out in the middle of the night, right?
Yeah.
So let's dive into that a little bit more. Like, did you like what kind of things did you have to do in order to sneak out?
Being quiet
Okay,
and like stealth mode.
nice. All right. What else? Where how did you get out of the house?
I got a ride from my cousin.
You got a ride?
From my cousin
Okay.
to go to Sonic.
What'd you get at Sonic?
I think it was a blueberry slushy. I think.
Awesome. Okay, what else? What else do you guys do?
Um. After that, when we came back, I needed to be really stealth mode because like when you move the slushy, like the ice moves around and stuff. I needed to be really careful with that.
Awesome. Okay. Okay. This is great. How did you actually get from your room to the outside of the house?
Um, we have like a back door. Like yeah, we have a back door,
Uh-huh.
and then like I needed to walk around the house, like the side of the house, behind the house, and the side of the house to get to the front door.
Okay. So there's already some really great stuff in here. And because your idea is so specific, it gives you an opportunity to paint a picture for your listener, right? Like I'm already there with you. I can like imagine going out that back door and sneaking around the house, jumping into your cousin's ride, driving off to Sonic, feeling excited for that moment, getting a slushie, maybe grabbing a hamburger, and then sneaking your way back into the house with that slushie in your hand, trying to make sure
Yep.
that you're not making any noise. That is a beautiful picture. If Here's my question. So we got this like really specific picture that we painted about this experience you've had. What and let's pan out just a little bit, okay? What is that whole experience? What did that do for you? What does that mean in your life? How is that what is that story? What's the message of that story as a whole?
Mm, like it was definitely hard for me to be stealth mode and
Uh-huh.
sneaky.
Did you have fun doing it?
Yeah, it was actually pretty cool.
So the way that I think or the way that I feel when I hear you talk about it is like, man, that reminds me of what it was like when I was young and free and like was able to like take silly risks like this and hang out with my cousins or people that I cared about. Like in that moment, that makes me feel young again. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And maybe that's kind of what I'm getting at is like if I pan out just a little bit, like holy cow, this whole story is like a story of what it's like to be young
Yeah.
or to have freedom in your life, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
The good old days? Like,
Oh, that's exactly what I'm talking about, man. But for you, are these old days?
well, like they're like memories.
Yeah, but what I'm getting at is like you're still young, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so are they? They're not good old days yet, right?
Yeah, they're like good old memories, I guess.
Uh huh. Good old days. How about this idea? The good old days.
of being young.
Check this out. Read that last one for me.
The good old days are happening right now.
Does that make sense?
That sounds nice, dude.
Yeah, bro. So think about that. When you read that, what does that make you think? What story does that tell you?
That right now we're living our good times, and in the future we're just gonna like have our memories.
Yeah, you're gonna look back to right now and feel nostalgic about it, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that's what your song is about. That's what you got to start writing about. We got to start writing about, like, you take this idea of like sneaking out of the house, and as you pan out, you realize, man, I'm building the memories that I'm gonna cherish for the rest of my life right now. The good old days are happening right now.
Yep.
What do you think?
Sounds good.
Okay. All right. I want you to think. So now we've got a really specific picture that we're painting for your song. I want you to think of, now we just got to start making things rhyme and fit. Okay. So give me a word that rhymes with mode.
Mode. Mode. Let me see. Mode. Mode.
Yep. And you could just start going through the alphabet, dude. It's like A, B, bode, C, code, D, dode, E, F, G, hode, H, I, J, K, L, load, M, node, N, O.
Road.
Dude, perfect. Okay, gotta keep quiet. Gotta keep quiet. Enter stealth mode. My cousins ride
On the road.
Wait. Let's out the back.
The door.
Around the house. Out the back, around the house.
Mister, I'm gonna fill up my water bottle. I'm gonna come right back in 30 seconds.
No, stick around for just a second. Stick around.
All right.
The back, around the house. My cousin's car is on the road.
Yep.
Okay. Now, give me a word that rhymes with now.
Now?
Yep.
Now. Now. Cow?
Cow reminds it. Cow's a good one. Keep going.
Cow. Bro?
Bow.
Yeah.
Keep going. Let's keep getting some more out there till we find one that. What's that? How's a good one? Yeah. Ooh, that's a great one. Keep going.
Bo? Oh, never mind. Cho.
Let's start with how. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Read the last four that we just came up together.
All right. Last four. All right. Gotta keep it quiet. Enter stealth mode. Out of the back house, my cousin's car in the road. Made it past my parents and don't know. The good old days are.
Wait. No, read it all. Made it past my parents and I don't know.
Wait, can I just read it all?
Yeah, do it all.
Like, this is starting, go slow and be quiet. or something like that.
No. From you started in the right spot. Start with
Oh,
"Gotta Keep Quiet."
um, gotta keep it quiet. Enter stealth mode. Out of the back, around the house, my cousin's car in the road. Made it past my parents, and I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how. The good old days are happening right now.
Do you hear how that rhymes? There's a little bit of a rhythm to it.
Yeah.
All right. So explain to me really quick. What did you and I just do in order to write lyrics?
Find words that rhyme.
Yep. And well, what did we do first?
Plan it out first, and then
How did we
we
plan
started.
it?
Huh?
How did we plan it?
By finding words how I was feeling and described.
You basically told me the story, right?
Yeah.
And then we took all of those elements that you told me about the story and we just found words that rhymed.
Yep.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, my dude. I can't wait to hear you record these vocals into your song.
All right.
All right, bud. I'll catch you later.
Thank you.
Thank you, Roberto.